Hello and welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of creating a new Facebook account. Let's get started. To begin, open the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search bar and type Facebook, then press the search button. You'll find the Facebook app. Tap on it and then select the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, open the Facebook app. Or you may notice Facebook app in the home screen, just open it. Upon opening the app, you'll be greeted with the option to get started. If you already have an existing account, you can simply log in using your credentials. To create a new account, tap on Get Started. Begin by entering your first name. For instance, my channel name is KnowHow. Then, input your last name, which in this case would be Channel. After entering your name, select a username. You can either choose a suggested username or create your own unique one. Provide your birth date when prompted and tap Next. Choose your gender from the options available, such as female, male, or other. Tap Next. You'll be asked for access permissions. You can decide whether to allow or deny these permissions. If you prefer, you can sign up with your email instead of a mobile number. Next, create a strong password. Once you've entered the password, it will be saved for your convenience. Click Save and then Agree. A 5-digit verification code will be sent to your Gmail account. Access your Gmail and copy the code. Return to the Facebook app and enter the code you received, example 16807. Tap Next. You'll be prompted to add a profile picture. You can choose to upload a picture from your gallery or take one instantly. I'll select a profile picture from my gallery. After choosing your profile picture, you can make edits if desired. Once satisfied, tap Done. Your screen will now display a Welcome to Facebook message. Regarding contacts, you have the option to turn them on or skip for now. I'll choose Not Now. Tap Next. Congratulations! Your Facebook account has been successfully created. You'll now be on your Facebook page. Feel free to explore and navigate through different features. In our next video, we'll delve into more details about using your Facebook account. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up.